Hey, what is going on, guys? Max Settings here, and welcome back to another review. Today is going to be a quick one. We have two more little iFi products here. These are two different things that they gave me for review. This is the SPDIF iPurifier, and this is the iDefender 3.0. And these are two different purifiers. One is for optical or SPDIF, and one is a ground loop isolator for USB. Now, around the time that I picked these up for review, I was having a bit of a ground loop issue with my computer. I was getting some noise on my shit VIDAR, and when I went to go pick up the portable amps, which was my last video or second to last video, depending on when I decide to upload these, I asked if I could have the iDefender 3.0, and I got it. And basically what this does is you plug it in USB. If your DAC does not power itself off USB, so if it has external power, you do not need to plug it in via this micro USB, but if your DAC is USB powered, you have to apply some power either from like a phone brick or iFi's own power brick. So I plugged it in, and believe it or not, actually removed the ground loop. And this thing works great, at least for my use case. Now, it might not work for everybody's use case, but for my situation, this thing worked great, and I will be purchasing it and using it every day in my setup. So if you have a problem with a ground loop, you can take a look at this thing. Worked for me, might work for you, but your mileage may vary on that. So now this is the SPDIF iPurifier. Now this is another one that is going to work for some people, maybe not for other people, depends on your use case. But basically what this is this will reclock and de-jitter your optical audio. So TVs, game consoles, and whatnot typically output optical audio, and they often don't have very high quality outputs with bad clocks, which can result in a lot of jitter. So not all optical audio is the same. Now, if you find that you have low quality optical audio, basically what this does is you can feed this SPDIF in like that. If you are using standard SPDIF output, not a coaxial digital, they do give you a little adapter like that, so you can just plug your standard SPDIF output into that. And they also give you a little micro to full size adapter, which is nice. So basically all you do is you plug this thing into the wall, and then you feed it SPDIF like so, and then you connect it to your devices. And depending on if you have really poor quality optical audio, this thing will reclock it and remove the jitter. And I did try it on the little Edifier speakers I have on my TV, and there was a little bit of an improvement in my case. The detail sounded a little bit better, a little bit less of, I'd say, a compressed electrical kind of sound. So I definitely saw an improvement on the quality of the sound coming out of my TV. Not a huge difference in my use case, but once again, like I said, this will vary from person to person, and there definitely are going to be people that are going to have no improvement from this, and there's some people that are going to probably have quite a large improvement from this. So your mileage may vary on the SPDIF iPurifier, but if you think you have very low quality optical audio, take a look at this thing. It might improve it. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed my review on these two little products. Thanks to iFi for supplying these. Links of where to buy these in the description below, as well as my Twitter and my contact email. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the review. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.